Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome back again to Cooking with Diska. So it's a holiday season now in Indonesia, so I really want to eat something homey and remind me of my hometown. That's why today I'm in my mom's kitchen because I want to ask her to make her specialty is one of my favorite food. It called in our native language, it called Asam Keueng, and in Indonesia language, it called Asam Pedas.
Asam pedas.
Asam pedas, or in English, is sour and spicy. So let's start cooking. So what's for the ingredient today, Mom?
Ingredient we use shallot.
We can use also red onion.
Yeah, you can use red onion or brown onion is still okay. And then we use garlic.
Yeah.
This is turmeric. And then chili.
Red chili.
Yeah, red chili. And this one it's dry.
So apparently, this one is a very special ingredient. I don't know if you can have it or not in here in Perth, but I think even in Indonesia it's hard to find only in our village, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I will put the picture somewhere here. It called balimbi, or in Indonesia is belimbing. So this one is like sour fruit, and then you dry it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dry it with salt and sugar.
Yeah.
And this one is going to make the soup, it's thicker, isn't it, Mom?
Yeah.
But don't worry, if you don't have this, you can just add more lemon. Can you?
Lemon, or we can use lemon, fresh lemon, or we can use tamarind.
Tamarind, yeah.
So we also can use tamarind.
Tamarind paste.
Tamarind paste. You can find that in Asian grocery. So we use like a couple spoon.
So this one also can add thickness like this, isn't it?
Make it soup
Thicken, yeah.
and sour.
Sour. So this is for the ground spices, is it?
Yeah.
And how about this? What is this for? This is for the dry one?
The dry ingredient we use kaffir lime leaf. So you also can find that at Asian shop. They have sometimes they do have frozen one, and we have curry leaves. So this is also available at Asian groceries, all not frozen. Or if you have neighbor Asian or Indian, they do grow this is a lot.
You plant it too,
you can
isn't
plant
it?
it at home. Yeah, we do plant this at home. And then we use for a little bit more spicy. You can use the dry chili,
Green chili.
green chili,
Fresh green chili.
fresh green chili,
And lemon.
yeah, and fresh lemon. And also we can put white pepper, and salt.
So that's for the aromatic vegetable. And for the inside, like for the protein, usually this Asam Keueng, this is a seafood cuisine. But because my sister, she can't eat seafood, but she loves the taste of the broth. So you come up with the idea to put chicken, isn't it?
Or beef,
and that it works too. So we're gonna for today we're gonna just make everything. We got squid, we got a prawn, and we also got chicken. And for the prawn, for everything, we already clean the guts and put lemon in it. You ready to cook, Mom?
Yep. Okay, we're gonna start with we're gonna blend all these ingredients. So we need to cut the shallot in the small cube. Use 3 or 4 garlic.
Turmeric.
Turmeric. It's better to use fresh turmeric than powder because give you more flavor.
But sometimes they couldn't find it.
If they couldn't find,
we can use the
powder
as well.
And chili. If you like spicy, you can add extra chili. But if you like not
But
too
we
hot,
love chili.
yeah, you can put like 2 or 3, depend whatever you decide to. Yeah. But we all like hot, spicy. When you eat this one, you can taste the sourness and hot, so you sweat. We will sweat a lot.
Especially winter here in Australia, so you need that.
Okay, and we're gonna add this.
The sunti.
Okay.
We add a little bit water.
We're gonna blend all these ingredients until it's smooth.
So what's the first step, Mom?
So we're gonna add this.
This is our ground spices.
We put all in the
Turn on the heat. Low, medium,
this medium.
medium. So we're not using what you call it, oil at all, isn't it?
No oil.
No
Yeah.
oil. For
Don't
healthy
use oil.
food. We're gonna cook the seafood first.
And we're gonna add water, little bit water. Okay,
Add
now
the
we're
water
gonna-
first.
You need to add a little bit water.
Just a little bit,
Just a
not
little
full, a little bit. So we cook the
space.
spices or the space in the water, is it?
Yeah.
Instead of oil, we use water.
Let it boil in a medium heat, and then we can add kaffir lime leaves.
We add all the dry spices, kaffir lime leaf, and what else?
Just here like this. Or if you like the small and thin, you always can chop it up.
And curry leaf.
We add curry leaf. It's all already washed. And let it boil and let it cook. So you can see this aroma from the kaffir lime leaves
From the
and then
curry
from
leaf,
the curry
yeah.
leaf, kaffir lime leaves as well. So when the water will absorb and the aroma
Nice and bubbly
yeah,
also.
and the strong aroma, you can smell it. And then we gonna put seafood,
Prawn.
and calamari. So we're gonna add prawn.
And instead of seafood and prawn, actually we can use fish too, isn't it, Mom?
Yeah.
Our grandmother is usually using
Whole
fish.
Yeah, whole fish.
Milk fish or tuna is nice as well. So we keep stirring it.
Yeah, let it cook a little bit and let all the spices absorb into the
To the meat,
seafood.
yeah.
And we will do the same thing if you have chicken or beef.
Yeah.
The same
So
step.
for the chicken is exactly the same. It's just different meat.
And now we're gonna add a little bit water.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit and let it boil. And we're gonna add a little bit more water until this water cover all the seafood and bring it to boil.
So the broth is boiled, Mom. So what's next?
So we're gonna put green chili.
Slice.
So we're gonna slice into 3. If it's too long, we can slice into 4, just like this.
Can we lower the heat when
Yeah.
it's boiled?
When it's boiled, just put in a medium
Yeah.
heat. And then we're gonna add
Yum yum.
green chili. And squeeze lemon.
Some lemon. Mmm.
If you don't like too sour, you can use half, but if you like sour, you can use 1 lemon, whole lemon. You like sour, Diska? Or you gonna put it all? Or
Yeah. Love sour. Sour and spicy goes really well together. Don't it, Mom?
It's a little bit ground white pepper, just like half teaspoon, less than half, 1/4, and then last one is salt.
Taste.
Bring it boil, and then we're gonna turn it off. So we're gonna taste it first. Sour
Nice.
and hot, spicy.
Yummy. Yeah.
Salt enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay, Mom. Please get me the white rice.
We will serve this one with white rice.
Time to eat. Let's try the seafood first. You try your chicken because you don't like seafood.
Or I'm allergic to seafood, that's why.
Yummy.
Yeah, it's really good. It's
Enak
spicy
ya?
and
Gimana,
sour.
enak nggak?
Enak banget.
Udah mirip with the rice.
This is how you eat it. Put the broth and put the meat.
Jangan dulu.
Kakak udah tadi.
This is how Indo eats, so.
Enak
It's
banget.
just spicy. So good.
No?
Look. It's really, really good. You have to try this.
Enak deh. Enak.
So good. Okay, I don't want to stop eating now.
Okay guys, let us finish eating. So, if you like my mom Asam Keueng today,
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below.
for more Indonesian inspiration home cooking. And how about if you want to know the complete recipe, Mom?
If you guys want to know the full recipe, please check.
Just remember. Thank you for watching us today and see you next time.
See you.
Bye.
Okay.
Woohoo.